So I'm Kit Wilson, I'm the Director of Operational Services, and part of my role is emergency planning, so making sure that we're ready for all emergencies and particularly making sure we're ready for winter. The main issue that we see is our customers having outside pipes that aren't insulated and then they can freeze, and if they freeze they can then burst and that can cause a significant disruption to their water supply. There's a lot that customers can do to protect themselves during winter. So the most important one would be to insulate your external pipes, but also make sure that you've got your boiler serviced, make sure you've got a plumber's details handy should there be any issues, make sure you've cleared your gutters, and also make sure you know where your stop tap is should there be any issues. We're doing a lot as a business to prepare for winter and the disruption that that brings. So as an example, we're stocking up on sandbags, on salt, on grit. We've got extra 4x4s in case it snows, and we've got all our winter plans in place across the business, extra resourcing, extra staff, all ready should there be a winter event. For instance, the tankers that you'll see behind me are another source of water that we can bring into any area that may be impacted. We also have bottled water, and we can bring those bottled waters into affected areas and particularly target those priority customers that need water at all times. It's not just about cold weather, we also see impacts from storms, and that can lead to power outages. So we've got things like generators ready to go to make sure that we can continue to operate in areas where the power has been disrupted. A few other crucial things that we do to prepare for winter in our business is make sure all our vehicles are ready. So we service them all going into winter to make sure they're ready to respond to any eventuality that we may have. And we undertake an exercise where we plan through a winter event and scenario test how we would respond in that type of emergency. COVID has definitely affected this year's preparations. So all of our plans incorporate what we would do if we have a COVID outbreak, how we will manage safely, and particularly thinking about how, if we need to enter customer properties, we do that in a safe, COVID compliant manner. Even in these cold winter months, Welsh Water staff are out 24/7, rain or shine, to make sure that everyone has water.